Hi people, today I wanted to show you very interesting tool which helped me to get rid of ugly shadows when you drill hole inside the polygon. Because I modify all the Danish church, actually German or Danish, and I wanted to show you something interesting. I imported models, but main topic will be how to use one of the tools to get rid of ugly shadows from Polygon. This is my project, and I would like to build all the city or village in German style. But in this video tutorial, I would like to show you how to fix ugly shadows. Hide unselected. Because nothing helped me other tools related to like for example when I take this mesh shading flat faces, this helped only little bit, even after when I applied the shade auto smooth, this did not work either. There's one beautiful tool which helped me to fix ugly shadows. Mesh, normals, set from faces. That's the only, oh, actually, keep sharp edges, set from faces. I will have to check this. Oh, it helps. Depending how you select polygons. Oh, everything ugly disappeared. Make sure you select the desired polygon. Only this. Mesh, normals, set from faces. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. This works perfect. If you are not sure how this, if this is still visible in a render, it will be, it will still be visible in a render view arc. In view arc and render view, okay, shading. If you want to double check if this tool really works, you can check in render view arc. In render view actually, I have to rotate sun. Sun rotation. Sun size, I don't need too big sun elevation. Sun intensity. You can double check. That side, sun rotation. Which you can see a polygon which hasn't been fixed. Okay, I can still use a render view to check how this tool performs in a rendering view. Because I have a strong enough graphics card, I can still do that even in a render view. Mesh, normals, check from faces. Oh, this tool works perfect, my dear friends. I hope you will like my video tutorial. Okay, let's get back to modeling view arc. And I will show you my German church. I have to finish my models. And I hope you enjoy and you like my video tutorial. Rotation. Okay, so you can see, depending if you want to use view arc or render, or you still prefer to use different shading mode, it's up to you. Sometimes it would be quicker depending what equipment you use, and even in that viewport, you can see cavity. Cavity can help you to see some ugly faces which you still have to fix. Oh, that one doesn't look okay. I have to check if this tool will work towards that object. We still have to fix polygon in this separate object mesh normals set from faces. This doesn't look okay because I have to straighten polygon, make it straight. It's a little bit uneven. This is why it did not display properly, because this was supposed to be straight. Shift S cursor to selected. Now we have been able to fix that. It looks better. Make sure your polygon is straight, because sometimes it's, even if this is a little bit uneven, it can display hidden shadows. Make sure it is completely straight. But this topic was set face from normals. I just have to remind, I just have to check what is name of the tool. Normals, set from faces. Okay, set from faces. Okay. I hope you enjoy video tutorial. See you, people.